A, we have the equation r equals to 1 minus sine theta, and the point P, this point, is such that the tangent to C at P is parallel to the initial line. So if it is parallel to the initial line, it means that it's horizontal, which would mean that dy by d theta is 0. And we know that y can be written as r sine theta, and the r is 1 minus sine theta. So it's d theta of sine theta minus sine squared theta. And we can just differentiate that to get this expression. And then we can take cos outside. So we'll get this equation, and we can just plug in cos theta equals to 0 and 1 minus 2 sin theta equals to 0. For cos theta, you'll get pi by 2, and for sin theta equals to half, you'll get theta pi by 6. Now you can see that the range of theta is 0 to pi by 2, but pi by 2 is not inclusive. 0 is inclusive, but pi by 2 is not inclusive. So if we have theta equals to pi by 2, it won't be a valid solution. So we'll cross that out. Now moving on, we have the value of theta. Now we have to find r. So r would be 1 minus sine pi by 6. So r will be half and theta will be pi by 6. So the polar coordinate of P would be half comma pi by 6. We have to find the shaded area R. So I've done it in two colors. The cyan part we'll get from integrating the equation over here. However, the blue part, this you cannot get through integration, as this is just a triangle. You could do it by integration, but you'd have to turn this line into a polar equation. It would be pretty hectic. So the shaded area A will be the area of the triangle plus the integral of this turquoise or cyan region from 0 to pi by 6. So from 0 to pi by 6, half r squared d theta. So the area of the triangle would be, if you look, it's this is pi by 6 angle, and this red line over here is half in magnitude. So in the y value of the triangle, this length over here would be half sine pi by 6, and this would be half cos pi by 6. So the area of the triangle would be half into half sine pi by 6 into half cos pi by 6. And for the integral, I can just take the half outside, 0 to pi by 6, and the square of 1 minus sine theta, or yeah, this value would be root 3 by 32, and you'll have plus half integration of 0 to pi by 6, 1 minus 2 sine theta plus sine squared theta. If you to integrate sine squared theta, we can just write it down as half minus cos 2 theta by 2, and we can just integrate that. So we'll get root 3 by 32 plus half, and this half will add up to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 theta plus 2 cos theta, and you'll have minus sine 2 theta by 4 0 to pi by 6. It'll have root 3 by 32 plus half plus 3 by 2 times pi by 6 plus 2 cos pi by 6 minus sine pi by 3 by 4, and from 0 you'll have just minus 2. And inside the bracket you'll get pi by 4 plus root 3 minus root 3 by 8 minus 2. And if we continue it, you get pi by 8, then you'll get 7 root 3 by 16 and minus 1. We can now take 1 over 32 outside because the question asked us to give our answer in this form. So we'll have a 1 by 32 in the front, and then we can just write down 4 pi plus 15 root 3 minus 32. Those are this. So you'll get the value of a, b and c. All of them are integers. So that's it for question 8.